Nice little set to show you over this afternoon. Copeland and Garrett, we know the teacup in the Broseley design. It's not full blue willow because of the pattern elements that are admitted. So this is either Two Temples or Broseley design. It's got a nice blue crowned Copeland and Garrett, partly stamped mark on the base. A little difficult to read the Garrett unless you know what you're looking for, but that dates to this teacup to between 1833 and about 1847. It's in fine antique condition, really nicely decorated, classic moth design on the inner walls, as you can see there. Nice plain, slightly arched handle here, but all in good antique condition. Is a little depression here just on the rim. It's a moulding fault because the transfer goes right the way over it, so there's no chip or damage on there. It's just part of its patina and production history. And then to go with it, not same factory marks that we can say with the saucer bowl, but a nice match piece, same moth borders, good colour combination. Size is absolutely right for it, but this one with either a faux Chinese or an original Chinese seal mark partly stamped on the base. Can't really decipher that at all. I suspect it's probably English and probably trying to imitate the Chinese export ware from the late 18th century. It has got a little bit of a firing crack just along here on the base. It's all stable, has been there I think since it's been produced, but we're not charging you for that. What you're buying is the Copeland and Garrett very rare little Broseley cup, which is in beautiful condition. As a set for a collector's or to display piece, absolutely beautiful. Nice duo of late Regency, slightly older, isn't it, 1833 through to 1847, that teacup, and a very fine example of Copeland and Garrett, which is increasingly difficult to find. More information on this on the website listing. We'll put a description link below which will take you through to the website. All measurements, details and prices are there for you to browse. Thanks for watching.